6 expert tips to maintain your beautiful tiles. Dear friends, sparkling floors never fail to boost the aesthetics of our homes. While feeling the smooth and shiny tiled surfaces under your feet is pleasant, maintaining that shine demands some effort. Here we have brought some expert tips to maintain your floors and tiled surfaces to keep their beauty intact. Sweep, scrub, and mop regularly. If there is one way to keep your tiles looking the best, it would be regular cleaning. Make sure you sweep your floors and mop them with warm water on a daily basis to avoid the collection of dirt. Also, give the grout lines a regular scrub with a gentle brush to prevent it from collecting grime. While you mop and clean, we advise changing the mop water frequently and rinsing the mop head before reusing it for another room. This will prevent the transfer of dirt and germs across surfaces and allow proper cleaning. Avoid harsh and abrasive cleaning. Wrong and abrasive cleaners are the biggest enemies of your tile's lifespan. Experts suggest avoiding harsh cleaners like acids, bleach, or ammonia. They can dilute the grout cement, cause discoloration, and end up etching your beautiful tiles, reducing their lifespan. Always use pH-neutral, tile-safe cleaners that do not cause damage. Read the product directions and use adequate amounts of solution. Ensure to rinse it well to avoid leaving residue. Additionally, you should also avoid cleaning with abrasive and rough materials. Using steel wool and hard brushes can scratch your tiled surface. Allow proper drying and ventilation. Allowing moisture to build up on your floors can cause chances of mold and mildew to grow. This is one of the signs it's time for tile and grout cleaning. Make sure you dry your floors thoroughly and provide proper ventilation to tiled surfaces. This is especially needed in high moisture areas like the bathroom and kitchen. As an additional step, you can use a squeegee to wipe out excess water from the restrooms after every use. Doing so will help keep them clean and dry, even in the dampest of weather in San Marcos. Seal your tiles and grout. With regular usage, spills, and cleaning, the sealant on your tiles and grout begins to wear off. Due to this, stains and water can enter the pores and start to build up. Unless you have porcelain or ceramic tiles or epoxy grout, your floors will need resealing at regular intervals to maintain their shine and stay protected from wear and tear. I recommend sealing your tiles and grout every year with an appropriate sealant. Place mats on floors and entrances. You can protect your floors from excessive dirt by placing non-slip mats in high traffic areas and entrances. These will catch the dirt and debris and prevent it from being dragged across your tiles. Call professionals for deep cleaning. Along with routine cleaning and mopping, it is essential to deep clean your floors, maintain their shine. Call a professional to give a rejuvenating, thorough cleanup to your tiles and grout at least once a year. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.